Ciao a tutti, in questo video ascoltiamo l'audio di Daily Wow Summer Fun for Kids, page 72-73, e poi vedremo su questo sito cosa ci fa vedere. Ok, pronti? Andiamo.
Page 72. The Daily Wow.
Wow!
Summer fun for kids. Listen and complete.
I'm Roger from Germany. I'm on a special holiday with my family, a ghost tour. We're spending the week touring around British castles. Look, there are scary ghosts here. Woo, woo. It's great.
Hi, my name's Helen. I'm having a great time at the summer camp. I've got a lot of new friends. We do many activities during the day: climbing, swimming, horse riding. I love going to summer camps. They're amazing.